are gonna play.
We're gonna
For
play.
Tagalog lahi.
Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to my guys. Hello vlog. Hello vlog.
Oh, look at our classmates.
Hello guys. Paano maging pogi guys? Basta. Tutorial ako kung paano maging pogi. Top 10 strongest countries in the world. America! South Korea! Kim Jong-un reunited with Kim Jong-un.
So today we're going to our classroom.
For today's video, we will be playing laro ng lahi. So, yeah.
Shout out to si Bian Aike, the YouTuber.